Let's move on to the next module of this chapter. And in this module, we will be using both the formulae that we have studied, AN formula as well as SN formula. Why? What? Let's see. The next sum is sum number 2. Find the sum of the following AP, and it is given as 34 plus 32 plus 30 plus so on up to plus 10. Because there is a plus sign, it is very, very clear that we are supposed to find the sum of all the terms given in the AP. Now you all can see the AP is already given to us. 34, 32, 30 and so on up to 10. What are these? These are nothing but the terms of the AP, right? So can we say the given AP is 34, 32, 30 and so on up to 10? As soon as you see the AP, what do? We find the value of A, that is 34. We find the value of D, that is 32 minus 34, which is minus 2. Hold on. There is one more thing that we know here. Look at the last term. The last term is also given to us. And last term, that means we also know the value of AN. But then, to find SN, we should also know the value of N. And N is not given here. Sn is equal to N upon 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. So we don't know the value of N here. So first we will have to find the value of N. And to find the value of N, we are given A as AN also in this sum, where AN is equal to 10. So we'll have to find the number of terms, or to find the value of N, to check which term is 10. That is, we are supposed to find the value of N when AN is equal to 10. Is this thing very, very clear? That is the reason we are using both the formulae here. Here we are using both the formulae. We are using SN formula because the question is find the sum. And we will use AN formula because here N is not given. The number of terms whose sum is to be found out is not given. So we use AN formula, we get the value of N, and then we use SN formula. That's the concept. Clear? Simple? Let's do it. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is 10, A is 34, N we don't know, and D is minus 2. So we get 10 minus 34 is equal to N minus 1 into minus 2. We get minus 24 is equal to N minus 1 into minus 2. Minus 2 goes to the denominator. Minus 24 upon minus 2 is plus 12 is equal to N minus 1. Minus 1 goes to the other side. You get N is equal to 12 plus 1. So N is equal to 13. In simple terms, we need to find the sum of 13 terms. That is, we are supposed to find S13. Now to find Sn, we have learned two formulae. Which one to use here? Here the best part is we know the value of D and we also know the value of AN. So D is also known, AN is also known. We have an option of using either of the two formulae, right? So I think it is better to use the second formula, Sn is equal to N upon 2 into A plus AN, better from the calculations point of view, right? Let's use it. You get S13 is equal to A to be replaced by 34, AN is 10 and N is 13. So you get 13 upon 2 into 34 plus 10. So you get S13 is equal to 13 upon 2 into 44. 2 22s are 44. You get 13 into 22, which is 286. S13 is 286. Therefore, we come to a conclusion that 34 plus 32 plus 30 and so on up to plus 10 is equal to 286. As simple as that. Let's move on to the next sum of the similar type. This time the sum is minus 5 plus minus 8 plus minus 11 plus so on up to minus 230. Exactly the same, just that the numbers are different, right? Let's do it quickly. We need to find the sum of the given AP. The given AP is minus 5, minus 8, minus 11 and so on up to minus 230. From the AP, we get A is equal to minus 5. We get D is equal to minus 8 minus of minus 5. That's minus 8 plus 5, which is minus 3. And we are supposed to find the sum. But to find the sum, we should also know the value of N. But we don't have the value of N. So how do we find N first? To find N, the good thing is the value of AN is given to us because the last term is given to us. So AN is equal to minus 230. First, we need to use the formula of AN. AN is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Why are we doing this first? To find the value of n. Let's do it quickly. Let's substitute an as minus 230, a as minus 5 and d as minus 3. Let's solve this. Minus 5 goes to the other side, becomes plus 5. You get minus 230 plus 5 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. You get minus 225 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. Now minus 3 goes to the denominator. You get minus 225 upon minus 3, which is 75, because minus into minus is plus, is equal to n minus 1. Take 1 to the other side. You get n is equal to 75 plus 1, which is 76. So we get the value of n thanks to the formula of an. So what we need to do is we need to find S76. The first formula or the second formula, you can use either of the two formulae because we know d as well as we know an. But we chose to use the second formula, that is n upon 2 into a plus an. Why? Just for the simplification of the calculation. So let's do it. Let's substitute n as 76, a as minus 5 and an as minus 230. We get 238 is 76, so you get 38 into minus 5 minus 230. That's 38 into minus 235, that's 8930. So the sum of the given numbers, the given AP is minus 8930. As simple as that.